Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint some roses. Let's get started. Today we'll be using the traditional Chinese blue color. I'm introducing this foreign watercolor, which is Crimson Lake. This is a Japanese brand, but it's just pretty much the same. And then ink. So I'm going to show you how I use this Crimson Lake, a different type of red. Just get a little bit. And first of all, you have to get some blue. Get some blue, and then see what happens. See, this is the purple color that you get. You can't really get this same purple color in traditional Chinese painting because our China red is very different. When you mix it, it's not as purple as this. As I mentioned in my previous video, traditional Chinese watercolor are mostly made of natural minerals and plants. So I don't think there is any natural material in purple color like this. The use of crimson red has been around for quite some time, at least a few decades, and we simply generally called it Western red. Having said that, I haven't tried the tube form Chinese watercolors, so maybe in the future then I'll buy some to give it a test and see what they look like. If you like this type of content, please subscribe my channel. If you haven't done so, please also press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out future updates. I'm going to paint one more rose here. Now I'm painting the leaves. I'm going to only use ink because I found the color of these purple roses are very vibrant already, so I don't really want to have a lot of many different color on this painting. Now I'm adding two birds on this painting, but I will be just using ink. I just tried to paint the feet, but found that the branches are still wet, so I will touch up the rest of the roses first. I'm adding some flower buds. And then I'm taking some deeper purple color to paint the outline of the petals. There are a lot of different species of roses around the world and all kinds of colors as well. So you can paint whatever you want. And I'm picking this romantic purple color because today is the St. Valentine's Day. And I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Now I'm finishing up the painting with the prickles. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.